Miele Auto Load Control. Wash large and also small laundry loads in an energy-saving way. The machine recognizes the load size and adjusts water and energy consumption accordingly. At the beginning of a wash program, water enters the suds container until a specified level is reached, shown here by the red level indicator. The drum then begins to rotate, and a proportion of the water in the drum is absorbed by the dry laundry load. As a result, the water level subsides. A second topping up intake cycle is triggered off when the water level reaches the lower switching point. The type of fabric influences the speed at which water is absorbed by the laundry. A large absorbent load results in the water table falling fast. The rate at which the water level drops is slower with a small load. By analysing this information, the smart electronic controls are able to detect the size of the load. The controls then calculate topping up quantities in order to achieve the ideal water level at the end of the absorbency phase, shown here in green. The benefit? Only the amount of water needed for the load is taken in. This saves both water and heating energy. Miele Auto Load Control. Wash large and also small laundry loads in an energy-saving way.